Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sanjai Kumar, and today we are diving deep into a PostgreSQL performance hack that can dramatically boost your query efficiency. Topic of the day: PostgreSQL performance hack. Keep the optimizer smart with Analyze plus Autovacuum Tuning. This is essential for DBAs and developers who want their queries to run fast, their indexes to be effective, and their storage to stay clean. For video script and source code, refer to the description section of this video. Why this hack matters. Before PostgreSQL runs a query, it asks, what's the cheapest way to get this data? This decision is made by the query planner, which relies on up-to-date statistics about your data. If those stats are outdated due to frequent updates, inserts, or deletes, your queries might miss useful indexes, choose bad join, or perform expensive sequential scans paths. That's why keeping the planner smart through regular analyze operations and proper auto vacuum tuning is essential. Understanding the query planner. PostgreSQL estimates cost based on number of rows, distribution of nulls, and index selectivity. You can view the execution plan by running the SQL. Explain select all columns from products where price greater than 500. For real-time performance insights, execute. Explain analyze. Select all columns from products where price greater than 500. This provides estimated versus actual row counts, buffer usage, and execution time. But remember, the planner's choices are only as good as the stats it has. Collecting fresh stats. Use analyze to manually refresh statistics. Executing the SQL statement. Analyze. Collect statistics for all tables in the current schema, while analyze products. Collect statistics only for the products table. Check the current statistics of the products table by executing the SQL statement. Select all columns from PG stats where table name is equal to products. To see the last time analyze or autovacuum ran, execute, select real name, last analyze, last auto analyze from PG stat user tables where real name is equal to products. Dead tuples and auto vacuum. Here's what you need to know. Every time you update or delete rows in PostgreSQL, it leaves behind something called dead tuples. Think of these as leftovers that still occupy space even though they are no longer needed. PostgreSQL cleans these up automatically using AutoVacuum, or you can do it manually using SQL statement vacuum analyze products. Now, if you want to check how many dead tuples exist in a table, run this query. Select rel name, and tupup, and tupdel, and deadtup from pgstat user tables where rel name equal to products. Pay special attention to the and deadtup value. If it's too high, it's a bloat alert, meaning your table may be using more space than necessary and could suffer from performance issues. Tuning auto vacuum. Let's make it faster and more responsive. If you are running a self-managed PostgreSQL, you can fine-tune how AutoVacuum behaves by updating these parameters in your postgresql.conf file. AutoVacuum equal to on AutoVacuum and nap time equal to tens, AutoVacuum at vacuum threshold equal to 50 AutoVacuum analyze, threshold equal to 50 AutoVacuum at vacuum scale, their factor equal to 0.02 auto vacuum at analyzed scale factor equal to 0.01 auto vacuum at max workers equal to 5 auto vacuum as vacuum at cost limit equal to 200 log bus auto vacuum at min duration equal to 0. So what does this config do? PostgreSQL will check for work every 10 seconds. It will trigger vacuum and analyze after 50 row changes plus 2% or 1% of total rows. It allows 5 auto vacuum workers to run in parallel, and it logs every auto vacuum activity so you can track exactly what's happening under the hood. This tuning helps keep your database clean, fast, and efficient. without you having to lift a finger. Want to check if auto vacuum is enabled in PostgreSQL? Here's how. First, from the PSQL prompt, run SQL statement, show auto vacuum. This tells you whether auto vacuum is globally enabled in your database. Next, to see if there are any table level overrides, maybe for the products table, use this query. Select rel name, rel options from PG class, where rel name equal to products.
This will show if custom auto vacuum settings are applied specifically to that table. And finally, to check if auto vacuum has actually run on the table, execute, select rel name, last auto vacuum from PGG stat user tables, where rel name equal to products. This will show you the last time auto vacuum ran on the products table. Super useful for monitoring and tuning. Let's talk about hot updates in PostgreSQL. HOT stands for Heap-Only Tuple. It's an optimization that kicks in when you update non-indexed columns, helping PostgreSQL avoid unnecessary index bloat. For example, update products set stock equal to stock -1, where ID equal to 10. If stock is not indexed, PostgreSQL will perform a hot update, meaning the index stays untouched and performance stays high. To track hot updates for a table like products, run SQL statement, select rel name, ntupupd, ntupHotUpd from PG stat user tables, where rel name equal to products. So remember, hot equal to fast updates with no index changes, a win for performance. Summary and key takeaways. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. Use Analyze to refresh your table stats regularly. Tune Auto Vacuum to prevent table and index bloat. Keep an eye on PGYAC stat user tables for real-time insights. Design your updates to maximize hot updates and reduce index overhead. And most importantly, keep the planner smart, because smart planning means fast queries. What's next? Grab the SQL scripts and tuning recommendations. They're linked in the description below. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more PostgreSQL tips, and drop a comment with your PostgreSQL bottleneck. I'll pick one and help you debug it in the next video. End note: a smart query planner is like a smart driver. It picks the fastest route. Keep it informed with Analyze and fine-tune Auto Vacuum to stay ahead of performance issues.